Writing Power Query manually in Excel is time consuming, repetitive, and prone to errors. That's why I built a local MCP server, a model context protocol system that connects Claude AI directly into Excel. Now I can describe what I need in natural language and let the automation generate the M code. Let's see it in live action. So I already developed the MCP server, so I'll already call it out. And then our prompt would be to create a sales status column where if sales is greater than 1,000, high, else low. This is calling it out. Cloud is thinking. Okay, awesome. Claude did its job. Let's open up the Excel file. All right, let's go to queries and connection. Let's just make sure our prompt went through. Awesome. High, high, low, low, depending on the prompt. So this isn't just a chatbot in the cloud. It's a local automation layer designed for Excel power users, analysts, and developers that could scale AI. Follow Sohentix for more AI-powered automation solution that integrates directly into your Excel business tools. Let's streamline your data workflows intelligently and efficiently. Thank you. Bye.